and welcome to my channel. My name is John, and today, following a big amount of requests, I will completely analyze the BNB arbitrage trading strategy step by step through Bybit with a profit of about 15 to 18%. Not only can you use Bybit exchange for this strategy, but you can also use Binance, Coinbase, Okex, Upbit, BitGen, Kraken, KuCoin, and others. After the presidential election in America and Trump's victory, the market is very volatile. My team and I have been trading successfully for the last 3 years, and we've gathered a fantastic community of subscribers on YouTube, so be sure to give this video a thumbs up. We have found several coins to arbitrage, and one of them is BNB. The sponsor of this video is our Telegram channel, where you can find free strategies and important information. We also offer a VIP channel that has even more private strategies and insider information. Contact our administrator for purchase. We never contact first, so beware of scammers. Let's get back to our strategy. Go to Bybit Exchange, click Trade tab, and select the Spot section. Search and select BNB/USDT as a trading pair. Select Markets, and specify the amount of USDT. As an example, purchase $1,000. The order was instant. Go to Assets, select the Unified Trading section. As you can see, BNB is on our spot account. Go to Exchange. This has been around since 2017, and they've built a solid reputation in the crypto community. They're active on Twitter and Telegram and have proven to be a reliable platform. If you're not familiar with them, check out their links in the description for more details. Click Sign In or Register if you don't have an account. Next, go to the Exchange tab and make sure that BNB is more expensive there than on Bybit. When you watch this video, the price may be different. Right now, the difference is almost 15%. This is the market spread, in other words, our earnings. Go back to the Wallets tab, click Deposit and select BNB. Select Network BEP20, click Get Address, and copy the address. Please note that there is a minimum deposit amount. Switch back to Bybit. Select BNB and then click Transfer from Unified Trading to Funding Account. Next, click Funding Account. Select BNB and then click Withdraw. Insert the address, select the BEP20 network. Enter the number of coins and click Withdraw. Check everything and pass the security check. The withdrawal is successful and will take 2 to 3 minutes. Let's go back. We can now see the funds on our balance. Let's check out the transaction history. As you can see, BNB has been successfully received. Now let's exchange BNB and USDT. The exchange commission is 0.1%. The exchange was successful, and now we return to the Wallet tab. Click Withdrawal and select USDT. We chose the BEP20 network. Since this is a fast network, it's important to know that it has a minimum arbitrage commission. Enter the amount of USDT. And now we need an address. To do this, we return to Bybit, click Deposit Crypto, select USDT, we choose BEP20 again. It's important that the networks we choose are on the same 2 exchanges. The funds are sent to the Bybit. Let's go to the transaction history and withdrawal history. As you can see, the funds have been sent. Now let's go back to Bybit. And now go to the transaction history section. The funds were successfully credited to our balance, and at the same time, the net profit was $150, which is 15%. To find even more strategies, check out our VIP Telegram channel. Good luck and profits to all. See you next time.